Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I achieve this banana buns recipe? Yeah, I have 700 grams of flour that I'm sieving, milk, room temperature, butter, nutmeg, baking powder, vanilla essence, salt, sugar, and the banana. I'm using the part that is not too soft, so I don't want to waste the banana. You know, with kids they will just press and press everything pressable. So I added all the ingredients. I'll just be combining them together. Now I'll be adding the vanilla essence. So I'll just continue this process. Now I'll be adding the milk bit by bit. For those of you always coming to leave me comment, like my post, share my post, I really appreciate your love and support. Keep supporting, keep liking, keep commenting. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, be a member of the family, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. So I covered it so that my oil can hot. So yeah, my oil is hot. I'll just cut the butter inside my oil. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Help me to share this video, guys. It will be of help to someone. Once I'm done cutting, I'll just allow it to fry and I'll flip it over so that both sides can cook. So I did this on a medium heat for 0 to 7 minutes. So I gave it a good stir, and after that I'm going to take it off the oil, put in a sieve, allow the excess oil to go out. So this is it. I will just open one, soft in the inside, crunchy in the outside. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.